48215 was the first model from General Motors in Australia to wear the Holden name. The new 48215 was a mixture of American and European styling features, albeit with that uniquely Australian character. The aero-built body featured a prominent Buick-inspired grille with vertical bars. Under the curved bonnet was Holden's rugged 6-cylinder overhead valve engine, nicknamed the Grey Motor after the colour used for painting the block. Developing a whopping 60 horsepower, drive was taken to the rear wheels via a 3-speed manual gearbox operated by a column change. Although basic, the 48215's interior was certainly comfortable, with front and rear bench seats providing ample space for 6 passengers. Today, the 48215 holds a special place in motoring history in this country.